Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on how to book tickets on the TKTBY app. Open the TKTBY app. Select the event and tap on Book Now. Choose your ticket type and tap on Checkout. Fill in the required details like your name and email. Click on Proceed to Pay. Now it's time to make the payment. You can pay using your card, UPI ID or by scanning the QR code. Here, I'm paying with my UPI ID. After that, tap on Make Payment. Wait a few seconds for it to process. Once your payment is successful, congratulations! Your booking is confirmed. Your tickets will be sent to your email. You can also view and download your ticket anytime from the app. And on the event day, just scan your ticket at the entrance. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow the TKTBY for more updates.